Welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to add bruh sound effect on CapCut. And it's literally an easy process. Make sure to watch until the end of the video to know how it's done. So to add the bruh sound effect in CapCut, first open CapCut, then tap on New Project. Open your project in CapCut, tap on it, then tap on Add. Navigate to the timeline where you want to add the sound effect. Then choose Audio on the bottom tool and choose the option to add audio from your device. Then tap Sounds. Then use the search bar to type bruh. Find and choose the bruh sound effect to preview it. Then tap on the plus button. Adjust the position and duration of the sound effect on the timeline as needed. Then preview your project by playing play button to ensure the sound effect is added where you want it. Then save your project once you're satisfied with the edits. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.